Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's front bumper for Toyota's 2014 to 21 Tundra. Step 1. Remove your vehicle's existing bumper. We show how to remove your factory bumper in another video linked below. Step 2. Assemble the bumper by loosely securing the mounting brackets with the included hardware with an 18mm socket. Their orientation can be determined by the sides with the 3 bolt holes facing outward. Step 3. Install your winch and pod lights at this time, according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 4. With the help of a friend, secure the bumper to the frame with the factory hardware. Using a 14mm socket. Once secured, adjust and center the bumper and fully tighten the mounting brackets. Finally, install your sensors and power harnesses. And you're done.